So today we are putting in the water system. Very difficult up here in the mountains of Colorado due to all the hard rock, but we got pretty damn close. We are almost, I am 6'4" and I am all the way down here. And we have the water line is gonna go right up there. Then I gotta start digging underneath the house. But all of this right here has to go down. That's solid rock. We gotta jackhammer it out. That's gonna be not fun. But my father-in-law, Jeff, is having difficult moving the tank.
Shorten the chain up a little bit.
We need to shorten the chain?
Shorten the chain up a little bit.
Okay. It's a 1,700 gallon water tank, and it's not necessarily the most easiest thing to move, but we got big machines and we got experienced people working on this. Hopefully it goes well. All right, he's gonna give it another attempt at picking it up without dropping it, because we are on a limited budget and we really can't be buying another water tank. So here goes nothing. Here's hoping. See if we can get this to stop spinning. Yeah, you need to come this way. Yep, right there. Yeah, down. Looks pretty good to me. So we got the level that we needed. As you can see, we are finally level. Very important. Now all we gotta do now is bury it. And then we'll show you the steps to come. Okay, so it's another beautiful day in the Colorado mountains, and we are one step closer in getting this water line put in. As you can see, we got our power cable. That's gonna help power the pump. The pump has not been put in yet. None of that stuff has been set up. We're having someone to come out that knows what they're doing to come install that. And what you see here is a very, very important step. This is 2-inch blue board. Yes, I know it's not blue, but this is what we're calling it. It's insulation, blah, blah, blah. Insulation to help protect the water line from freezing. So what's gonna happen is that when the frost starts creeping down into the ground, it's gonna hit this and help spread it out and make sure that it doesn't touch this hose, this water line, because if it does, like I said, we are screwed. It'd be really hard to fix it. So this is a very, very important step. If you're thinking about burying a water line, make sure that it's 6 feet down into the ground, and then you put 2-inch blue board on top of it, and make sure that the ground below the blue board is flat, so that way it doesn't break too much and that the frost can't get to the line. All right. have some fun. I can relax a little bit while Jeff, my father-in-law, gets to have some fun in burying the hose line. So we're having a little intermission right now from work because make me a liar, but it just started hailing and dumping rain, and now it's gone. Got the hose connected. The hose was too short, so they had to add a piece. So they add the electric to the pump. Now they're putting on a little manhole, so when we bury it, we can easily get to the water. So as of right now, we don't have our own well to get our own water, so we have to get water trucked in, and we use a Gold Rush, and we have it completely buried up now, and we have a fill pipe to make it easy for this guy. All right, that's it for the water tank build. If you guys have any other questions like cost breakdown, if you have any other questions that I didn't cover, just hit me down in the comments and I'll try to answer them the best that I can. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.